Hello everyone, I have created this data entry and suggestion app for my father's company, which is completely coded on Python and now made into an executable. This code was completely programmed by me and it uses libraries like Tkinter for the GUI and Pandas for all the data processing inside. It is a simple app, but it has uh, enhanced my knowledge on Python, especially Pandas, and also I have learned Tkinter specially for this app. So I'll give you a live demo on how this app works. Firstly, the base folder is chosen because the project should have files stored in the computer, so which folder it should be saved, we have to choose it. Then the base folder is opened and a Excel file called data.xls and movement register.xls is opened. First we open the data Excel file. It has driver number and mobile number details, vehicle numbers, and the place versus fixed advanced and fixed detail advanced details, which should be filled by the user. Then all the details which are read by the GUI app is going to be saved in the movement register Excel file, which is shown. After that, we see the data entry part. I have sped up the process so that time is not wasted. If we see, the right side is a suggestion based process and we can see suggestions for each and every entry, and we can choose them directly instead of going. Sometimes we can there is a thing that some of the suggestions are interacting with the other columns of the row, like account of party is related to party. Similarly, this is modify entry. In this we can see if there is an entry or not, and we can, if it's not there we cannot view it. If it's there we can display it and see all the entries, view by using the view option. And then we can use the, especially this is used for container number based filtering in our transport companies. Mostly we use do filtering related to container numbers, and this can be used to take the data directly, display the data directly. Then we have the select rows option, which can be used to print only the specific rows of the data of the column which we need in the data in the GUI. After that, we have the edit option and the delete option. The edit option can be used for editing small minute details in every form, every unique form, and you can change any details if you want, and you can or add any details which were left blank already and submit it again. This row has been deleted, so it has to be submitted so that it is saved properly. Then we have the display option, which displays the complete code, and also we have the export option in the display so that we can see whatever is there. Any kind of display, if maybe if we modify the data somehow and filter the data and show it, like in this condition we display all the data which has samudra in from and view it. We can even export it by filtering the writing a file name and exporting it, and this file would be saved in the computer in the base directory whichever we had chosen as an Excel sheet, and we can use it for other purposes. This data Excel sheet is very important because there is something called as vehicle status, in which all the drivers details with mobile number is given, is printed, and this from to serial this fixed diesel advance can be used for displaying the fixed diesel advance and see if anyone has changed the voucher or entry and stuff like that. when typing or when giving the existing movement, so that we can cross check the problems which are used. This is not in the GUI, but it will be printed in the report based on this Excel sheet. So this data entry based project is basically for people who have less computer knowledge, leave alone Excel, so have problems in filtering stuff. So this is suggestion based system, and also basic entry interface. So even people with low computer knowledge can be used. Can use this project. Also, this is saved as an executable, so you can transport it to any native Windows machine, and it's working properly in two of these computers which I have tested. Thank you so much, and this is my project. Please feel free to look at my code in the Git saved in GitHub, and give me a